Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play Roblox as a beginner. Alright, let's begin. Welcome to Roblox. Whether you want to play games, customize your avatar, or connect with friends, this guide covers everything you need to get started. Once you've signed up and created your account, you'll land on the home page. Here, you'll see popular and recommended games. To explore more, click on the Discover or Charts tab at the top. This brings up categories like Popular, Top Rated, and Featured. Browse through the list and click on a game that interests you. To play a game, hit the blue Play button. The first time you do this, you'll be asked to install the Roblox player. Just follow the prompts to download and install it. Once done, click Play again and the game will launch. While inside a game, use the menu to access controls and settings. Press Escape on your keyboard or tap the menu button in the top left corner. From here, you can change the volume, graphics, and camera mode. If you want to chat with others, press the / key and type your message. To add friends, click a player's name and choose Add Friend, or go to the Friends tab and search for usernames directly. If you're using Roblox on your phone, the process is similar. Tap Charts to browse games and Customize to change your avatar. You can change outfits, accessories, and skin tone under Head and Body. Most clothing items fall under Classic Shirts and Classic Pants, so check those categories first. To adjust your avatar's skin tone, go to Head and Body, then select Skin Tone. Pick the color and even change the intensity. To buy clothing, emotes, or accessories, go to the Marketplace. These items cost Robux, which is Roblox's in-game currency. You can buy Robux using real money, and they're required for premium items. On the main menu, you'll see Settings under More. Here, you can update your password, set privacy options, and enable two-step verification. If you're underage, Roblox has built-in parental controls that manage chat and interaction permissions. You can also join communities, which are communities for fans of certain games or creators. To find them, go to the Communities tab, search for topics or creators, and join. Groups often have events, updates, and social features. To learn more about Roblox itself, tap the About tab. It offers background on the platform, how it works, and links to help and support sections. If you prefer playing Roblox through a web browser, the experience is nearly identical. Many players enjoy the browser version for quick switching between features like Friends, Inventory, Marketplace, Settings, and Communities. When you're done playing a game, press Escape or use the menu to select Leave Game. You'll be taken back to the home page. Don't worry, your progress and avatar updates are saved automatically. If you're interested in creating your own games, download Roblox Studio on PC. It's free and lets you build 3D environments, add scripts, and publish games. You can even earn Robux through game passes or in-game purchases. Roblox also has a developer marketplace. This is where creators upload and sell assets like models, animations, plugins, and clothing. It's a great place to explore if you're into design, game dev, or coding. Lastly, keep your account secure. Use a strong password, never share login details, and enable all available security options. If anyone offers free Robux or asks for your password, it's a scam. Report it immediately. So that's basically how you can play Roblox as a beginner. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.